Not seeing those digits in your wallet yet? Good news, you're seconds away from learning how to turn a random meme coin into a money printer. Let's go with the necessary steps, guys. First things first, if your meme coin launch isn't on point, forget about profits. And for the love of crypto, stop using Pump Fund. It's a dead end. Crack open Photon and check the Pump Fund DEX filter. It's a graveyard of failed meme coins in the making. These two disasters you see here, they never stood a chance. Blame it on Pump Fund becoming a dumping ground where literally anyone can launch their trash token. Now scope out Radium. Completely different vibe. The space isn't crowded at all. Only 5 coins popped up in the last 5 minutes. Best part? These meme coins are getting legit traction. And those liquidity numbers? They're off the charts. What's bringing in all the buyers? The coding barrier to entry means only legit projects make it through. That's why Radium leaves other platforms in the dust. Follow along and I'll reveal exactly how to get started the right way. Stop everything you're doing, cause LaunchTool just made Radium launches accessible to everyone. No dev skills? No problem. 1 minute setup and you're live. Been abusing this for weeks and the gains are straight up unfair. Was just surfing on Google and snagged a killer logo. Shocker, another funny celebrity design. Open Canva, start a 128 by 128 new design, polish it up if needed to your liking, and save your masterpiece. Easiest part of the whole process. Go to LaunchTool. Now, for our coin to become launchable, we need to enter its details. So in the token name section, I'll put Mad Game Coin, and the symbol should be a short version of your token's name, so in my case, I'll just type MAD. Just below, you will see the description box. Frankly, it's not 100% necessary to fill it in, but I always like to put something funny that relates to my token, just to add some personality. So this time, I'll paste the sentence I created earlier. The only thing left to do in this part is attaching the token logo that you created. Once you do that, just go ahead and hit next. 1 billion supply is a must for the later stages of the process, so you really don't want to change anything here. Just leave the numbers exactly as they are and move forward. Now, it gives us an option to add the creator name and creator website. But here's the big problem. It costs 0.1 Solana to do that. So what you want to do instead is just turning it off and clicking next. Alright, now you can add your website, Twitter, Telegram, and even Discord if you have those links available and want to fill in those tabs. I don't have any of those right now, so I'll just skip that section. Now about this next section, I really need to point out one extremely important thing, and that is this. If you turn off any of these settings, you will regret it very quickly. Why, you may ask? Let me give you just one simple example so you can understand how bad it could go. If you switch off the revoke mint option, that means you'll still be able to mint an unlimited number of tokens at any time. And investors seeing that? That's like trying to bite down on a rock. It just doesn't work. It's completely pointless because they won't even consider buying your coin. And that's because no one's going to trust a token if the creator still has full power to change everything to their liking. Buyers want your token to appear trustworthy, not scammy, and not sketchy. So if you want to save yourself from a bunch of regret in the future, leave all of these settings just as they are. What's left to do now is simply click Launch My Token Now. Within seconds, your wallet will pop up just like that, and all you need to do is approve the transaction by clicking Confirm. It's seriously that easy. As soon as you see this confirmation window, that means your token has been successfully created, just like it says. Want to see all the details for your token? What's amazing is that right here, you can see every single detail about your coin. But the only thing I truly care about at this point is checking if it's actually live on SolScan. So I'll just click View on SolScan to check. And when that page loads up, it means our coin is officially live on the Solana network. But even after that step, we still need liquidity so that people can invest in our coin. How do you do that? You'll want to head back to LaunchTool and click Create Liquidity Pool. And just like that, the Radium website will show up instantly. If your wallet isn't connected, which is rare, just connect it manually like this. Now let's add our token as the base token. Click on the token selector, copy your token's address from LaunchTool, paste it into the big search bar, and let the page refresh itself. After that, you'll need to fill in the symbol and the name. Just under the name, you'll see the Add User Token button, so click it, then click the button next to it. Now just add 900 million tokens. Why 900 million and not the full billion? Well, 900 million supply is super common in the meme coin space, which is why it's the standard you always want to follow. Now let's add the trading pair. Even though it's obvious, I'll say it anyway. Just select Solana, click the max button, and let me tell you, you are in a completely no-loss situation here. Even when you max it out, all of that sol will still be in your liquidity pool, which means you're actually the first buyer and not a single dollar is being taken away from you. So there's literally nothing to worry about. That said, I do strongly recommend having at least one sol in your liquidity pool. Why? Because your coin will look way more attractive to potential buyers, and that automatically increases your chances of people investing in it. But don't forget to trim down the total amount by 0.2 sol. That's because every time you create a pool, Radium takes a 0.2 sol fee. Now go to the fee tier tab and select the 2% option. I also recommend doing a quick check on all the details you've entered, and if everything looks good, just click Initialize Liquidity Pool. You'll need to confirm again. And just like that, your pool is officially created. Once that's done, go to Photon, and boom, your coin will appear right on its list. That's some good news, but we still need to check out the chart. So just head over to dexscreener.com and click on any random coin. As soon as it loads, copy your token's address from Launch Tool, select the random coin's address, delete it, paste yours instead, and hit refresh. Simple as that. Just wait a moment for it to load. So yeah, our chart looks almost empty right now, but that's totally normal. Scroll down and you'll see these small transactions happening. These are just bot trades, meaning you don't really need to pay attention to them. What we do care about are the actual buy orders coming in. I'll wait a couple of minutes until the first real order shows up. And just like that, the first order got placed successfully. Let's hope for more orders to keep rolling in. Check out the liquidity now. It's sitting at $375 and the market cap is currently at $220. I'll wait a bit longer just to see what happens next. Alright, the second order just landed. Only 18 seconds ago. That one's about $150 in USD or 1.25 in SOL. Let's check the chart again real quick. Yeah, it's showing some nice growth already, but we'll check back again in a few minutes. What I really want to let you know is that you can keep rugging a coin and keep cashing out profits, which honestly makes this method a crazy money-making cheat code. Whoa, hold on, another order just came in? I honestly didn't expect that at this exact moment, and this one is worth an insane $250. Check out the chart again. Yup, that's wild. It jumped by 2,000%. Let's check one more thing. Wow, on top of everything, we made that entire profit in just 15 minutes. Insane. What more can I even say, man? I'm just gonna start cashing out right now. If you want to do the same, go over to Radium. Click on Standard, which you'll find just below my positions, and here you can check your current liquidity status. Click the minus button, then slide the bar to 100%. This will show you how much liquidity you can withdraw and how much you'll actually receive in your wallet. The last thing to do now is just hit Remove Liquidity. Confirm the transaction. Once you see Remove Liquidity confirmed, you're good to go. That means when you open up your Phantom wallet, you'll see the juicy profit waiting. I personally invested around $260 and walked away with $400 profit. Just so you know, I am not affiliated with LaunchTool, Radium, or Photon in any way. Everything you've seen here is purely for educational purposes only. This loophole's living on borrowed time, guys. Could get shut down any day, so you better go all in now while it's still a money-making machine.